Hello, today I'm showing you how to make a Start GUI or the Start screen. First of all, we make screen you want name it. Then we put in a frame. We make the frame a large. We might need to also make it more large for the top area too. Then in the frame, we could put in a bunch of like UI gradients and things. I'm gonna showcase one. We could use it, maybe put like dark here and a bit less dark. Maybe like a bit of a bluish tone and put in button. If you put in a whole lot of things such as to scale out, then you can put in a UI corner. Also the UI gradient also works here. The stroke, then you can make it text color, then you can make it like this so only the stroke is able to be seen, or I guess not okay. Whatever, basically here's your start button. You need to then like look scripts. And that most Pokemon click can't open. This basically we're not actually gonna do it like that. We're gonna do then .players .local player and then local player dots. A play a duet that start that you could also destroy. You can destroy it as well, but if you want to be able to like get back, then you can. And then if you want the button to bring you back, let's do another draw because that one would be disabled. You could also put it like disable the frame and then put the button into start. But I'm gonna make a new one. I'm gonna make a new, and we're not gonna put a phone. We're gonna put the text button that says. So when the stop button is visible, you should not be able to see that. So we're just gonna copy this. Play that you like that back enabled equals true. Then we should make this one we should make disabled. Because if we go back, go in here. Then here, and oh wait, I forgot to script it back, my bad. Then you basically copy the script. Put it inside of the script, then you just switch these two and false. So start back now if you want to make more text. Maybe you want like to be able to get like the player's username here. Then you can do something like welcome. Then if you make it large, then to make the script this, you basically get a local script. You do script. No, error script ... text. Equals. Welcome, and the space is very important then. A ... or yeah, well, let's see what the color game. No game .players .local player . A display name. You can also do name. But the display name also works then if you join then my display name. Yep. If this works, then it goes back. Now if you don't want that ugly bar at the top, then you could just easy way to fix that is just drag it down. Make it bigger. I know there are probably more ways to fix it, but that's just how I fix it. Actually, you should put the text inside of the frame. Then if you want to make another button, let's say shop. If you have multiple buttons, you should also name them start. You have start and then you have shop. Then you put like shot. But now let's make a new frame. You could also put it inside of this frame actually. I don't think it really matters, then you have your like. Shop doesn't really matter how large it is text level. Oh, one more thing you should do is you should put both of these a weight. Where is the okay whatever gonna find a correct UI styling thing? Where is it? Auto scale? Auto scale is my favorite. You would put in position to scale, size to scale. You should actually select every single one of your text, not script. And then just do size to scale and position to scale. Press how many times you want, doesn't really matter then. Then you put then basically shop. The shop should have a text button. You could like make this an X or something. You could also do it with that. Then you could with the UI design it, you can set the ratio and position to scale. Now if you have the UI aspect ratio constraint, next you should make the one so it's like this. Then you put on the UI corner. I mean, if you make it like a circle, it's not really, you can't really see it right now, but it's a very ugly red, but let's make it a bit less. If you start making it, I would rather suggest then find a good find like a fidget one. Yes, like this, then put that's close, put it. Let's go. I must have to walk up connect function. Squad.current.visible. Basically what it does is that if you press the button close, well, I accidentally made the button disappear. No, you need to put script.parent ... because otherwise it's gonna refer to this button, not the whole shop. And now it should work. Yes, as you can see it works. Oops, I forgot anyways. We're gonna currently put this away. You could also like make the shop, but I'm not gonna show how to do that in this video. Then for the shop joy, we're instead of making these enabled or disabled, we're gonna make it like main.shop. Shop.visible equals to now I think it should work. I think I should scale the yes, very good. Yes, so now you have your start with your back button. Yes. You're shopping. Okay, so I took it out of the main part of here and I put it in its own. So we have main and shop in the start of that. So now the script's like that. So what is that the correct script? You should also name your scripts. That would probably help you. Shop, then it goes script.parent. Okay. Script.parent. Well, that's fine. Then it's like what's under this, there's main shop. Then you get the shop, then it just enables or makes the shop visible. And that's basically how to make the shop. back shop very nice. And that's how you make a start your way obviously. You could also do some things with cameras and blurring. But I'm not gonna show you this right now, as it is a bit more advanced.